Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto 100 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Moto Watch application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Moto Watch and tap on the search button. You should see this application, Moto Watch. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And after the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, this one is for the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it for now. And here we have the Bluetooth permission. And this one is required, so I recommend to tap on the OK button. And once you're done with the permissions, you have two options. You can create a new account if you need it, or you can log in into already existing account if you have one. And if you need to create an account, you have two options. Also, you have set up new watch or don't have watch option. So what you can do is basically, if you have a watch and you don't have an account in this app, you can tap on setup new watch. It will take you through the process of the pairing watch, and then you will be able to create an account. If you don't have a watch, you can always tap on don't have watch and make account immediately. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in right here and then log in. So let me log in. Okay. As you can see, we have more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is about the location. If you want to track your activities like running and stuff like that on the map, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Okay, and after you log in, you will see the home page. Here we're gonna tap on the hello and the name of your account on the top page, or rather top bar of the page. Come on. Okay, we needed to tap on the circle right here. And as you can see, it will open the profile page, and here we have the My Devices, and under the My Devices category we have Add Device button. We're gonna tap on it. Here we can select Moto Watch 100, then tap on Ready to Setup. It tells us to turn on the watch, and then we can tap on the Proceed, then tap on Yes, I do. The app will start looking for the nearby devices. It should detect your watch. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on pair this device. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Now tap on next. And the watch should be right here on the list of my devices. You can tap on it to open the device page for it. And that means that the devices are paired together. And now we can close the app like that. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.